about something else. We talk about day 53, 5 Luo words a day. And what we are going to talk about is we shall look at Annette, Angala, Angere, Angera, Angit. Very difficult words, but we shall see how to deal with them. Okay? So this is Luo English Dictionary. If you're feeling free, please remember to subscribe to the channel. And because we really need that subscription, you can also share the view with one of your friends. So Annette. Annette is a quagmire. Annette is a quagmire. So we can say apuoyo omoko e Annette. Apuoyo omoko e Annette. So this is a bog. It's also like something like the quicksand. You know where the people just come in and get stuck. So you can say the rabbit got stuck in the bog or in the Annette. Apuoyo omoko e Annette. Then the second one I will talk about is ang. 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 Now this ang is the reason why it's a little bit difficult is because it's not in many vocabularies. So you can just say ang, and it's a word. You can just say ang ne abi or ang ne aduogi sa aboro. So ang means today I will. Ang. Rodney Robert Yogo erokamano ahinya. Ang ne aduogi sa aboro. So I'll be back at 2 p.m. Some people say wang. Wang. So wang and ang sometimes is the same thing, okay? Ang ne aduogi. I will be back at 2 o'clock. Thirdly, let's say Angala. Angala. It's running strides. Angala, also known as okang. 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 Angala is also known as okang. Adwa pimo ot Angala angwen konchiel kod Angala abiriyo komachielo. Adwa pimo ot Angala angwen konchiel kod Angala abiriyo komachielo. So I would like to take measurements, or you can say adwa pimo ot okang. Okay? You can talk about okang. Okang angwen konchiel kod okang abiriyo komachielo. Same thing, okay? That will be the same thing. Then the fourth one is angere or angera. So angere is teasingly or jokingly. Angere. Onyisa ni ohera mana kod angera or angere. Onyisa ni ohera mana kod angere. Okay? Onyisa ni ohera mana kod angere. Oh, that thing is loud. Then the next one I will talk about is Angit. Angit. So Angit means Angit is backbone or side cut for cooking. Ja us ringo. Oh, this is someone talking. Ja us ringo ero. Where is this thing? I'm trying to remove the bottom so you can see everything. Okay, there you go. Jaus ringo. Ero ng'adna ang'et robo kilo. Adwa dhi tedo. Jaus ringo. Ero ng'adna ang'et robo kilo. Adwa dhi tedo. Ero, please get me a quarter of a kilo. And robo kilo is Swahili because a quarter is robo. So we just took Swahili words. Jaus ringo. Ero ng'adna ang'et robo kilo. Adwa dhi tedo. Boom. Now, the last one we want to talk about are these four. We want to talk about ang'ich welo, ang'iew, ang'ino ong'ino, ong'ino ong'ino, ang'o or ang'ono, and angolo. We want to talk about ang'ich welo, ang'iew, ang'ino or ong'ino, angolo, ang'ono, ang'o or ang'ono. So ang'ich welo is dawn, or not dawn, sorry. So at about ang'ich welo is wadonjo e seche mag ang'ich welo. We shall arrive at about sunset. Ang'ich welo is sunset. Wadhi donjo e seche mag ang'ich welo. So we shall arrive at about sunset. Wadhi donjo e seche mag ang'ich welo. Ang'ich welo. Okay? Number 2, ang'iew. Ang'iew is missiles. And sorry if I used your image. Missiles. So, nyathi japuonj tuo mar ang'iew ne omako. Nyathi japuonj tuo mar ang'iew omako. Ne omako. So the teacher's child contracted measles. Nyathi japuonj tuo mar ang'iew ne omako. Then ang'ino or ong'ino. And this ang'ino is usually done twice. They say ang'ino or ong'ino. And ang'ino is sugar ant. Kik iwe chiemo ma ok iumo nikech ang'ino biro lago. Kik iwe chiemo ma ok iumo nikech ang'ino biro lago. Don't leave food uncovered because sugar ants will crawl on it. Lago is the act of crawling on, okay? Kik iwe chiemo ma ok iumo nikech ang'ino biro lago, or ong'ino biro lago. Then we have ang'o. Ang'o is an interjection, okay? Interjection. Ang'o. So, and in a sentence, let's say you're calling Jane, and it's a very rude way it's a very rude way to respond. When you ask Jane, and Jane says ang'o, that is a rude way of saying, yeah, what? Jane, what? Okay? Or you can also say ang'ono mane otimore. What happened? Ang'ono mane otimore. What happened? Jane, ang'o. Peter, ang'o. What? That's the meaning. So when you hear someone say ang'o, they just are annoyed that you're asking them a question that they don't want to answer, okay? Then the last one is angolo. 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 And angolo is glasses in the US, spectacles in Europe. In Africa, it's spectacles. In US, it's glasses. That is angolo. Ruako angolo mio wanga tinde neno nyocha an muofu. Ruako angolo mio wanga tinde neno nyocha an muofu. Nyocha an muofu. So having spectacles has enabled me to see clearly because I was turning blind. So I will continue with that tomorrow, where we shall talk about angola, angut, angwe, angwe, angwen. Okay? But before we go, please, I want you to subscribe to the channel. Please type in Luo English Dictionary, or just look at, if you type in Luo English Dictionary. Now, what will happen is you click on this Luo English Dictionary here, and I want you to click on this button here, this join. Join the Luo English Dictionary group, so that we can be able to, if you join this channel, we have some perks. That is 1.99 a month. That is $1.99 a month, $4.99 a month, or $9.99 a month. Now, if you give us this money, or if you provide these resources, we shall be able to use them to produce videos for children, because that is our aim. We want to do videos for children, and we are looking for resources. So please, I ask that you support the channel. If you cannot do that, please just consider subscribing. Just subscribe, that's good enough, and you shall be helping the channel. Share this video with all your friends, and I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow, and more tomorrow. Now, those who supported me: Rodney, Robert, Yogo, asante sana. Dennis Omolo, asante sana. Margaret Kalori, asante sana. June De La Cruz, thank you so much. There's someone called Great Man. Thank you so much, Great Man. There is someone called Brittany Mildred. Thank you so much, Brittany Mildred. There is someone called Janet Atieno. You follow the channel. Thank you so much for following the channel. There is Zili Daniel Yadao Ines. Oh, that's a nice name. Thank you so much, Zili Daniel. Whoa. Then there is Mary Lay, thank you so much. Then there is Farouk Ahmad, asante sana. Thank you so much. There is Victor Orua, Erokamana, thank you so much, Victor. There is Moses Okoth, thank you so very much. And there is, finally, there is Wahinya Karanja, asante sana. So thank you so much, and always a pleasure having you guys tuning in, so that we can always do this many times. Nangoja mu subscribe. I'm waiting for you guys to subscribe, so that I can stop the ranting.